do Land Rover Defender rear spacers work? Land Rover Defender rear spacers can be installed as aftermarket cars. The high-quality Land Rover Defender rear spacers can help the vehicle with more modifications and upgrades, including the brake system upgrades, aftermarket wheel education, cosmetic changes, metal handling, and more. Land Rover Defender rear spacers offer easy and quick wheel position adjustment, allowing the wheel to be moved outward to a specific position using first wheel defenders, while ensuring the structural safety of the vehicle. The lines of the vehicle will be fuller, giving the vehicle an aggressive and track-filled appearance. Using Land Rover Defender rear spacers allows you to safely fit wider tires on your existing wheels, or upgrade to bigger wheels without rubbing against the frame, wheel assembly, or the suspension component, improving traction and handling even more. If you're looking to upgrade the wheels with both Land Rover Defender rear spacers, then look no further than BONOSS. BONOSS manufactures a huge range of Land Rover Defender rear spacers to fit a massive variety of different wheels and applications. Designed by professional mechanical engineers, these are made in an independent factory to the highest security and are full of more than 56 SMT detached reports. BONOSS also offers a choice of wheel spacer size from 15mm to 15mm. BONOSS Land Rover Defender rear spacers are all forged. The manufacturing process of forged made the internal structure of the spacer denser and firmer. Meanwhile, the material used is aluminum alloy, and it has many outstanding characteristics such as high strength, wear resistance, excellent thickness, impact resistance, and high temperature resistance. This metal has good mechanical properties. Compared with industry standards, the cheap spacers that use low-quality materials are not strong enough and will defer and endanger driving safety under strong impact. By contrast, BONOSS insists on producing professional Land Rover Defender rear spacers, which are far higher than the industry safety and professional standards. In addition, the bloxsport active cooling Land Rover Defender rear spacers are designed with heat dissipation grooves to make brake cooling better, distribute and pedal shake. These grooves allow the external cold air to flow continuously inside the rear spacer when it rotates. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actively dissipating heat for the braking system. There are small notches. They are displayed on the corner of the rear spacers. These notches act as air collectors, which tremendously enlarge the air flow, enhancing the heat dissipation effect and rear safety. Also, the bloxsport active cooling Land Rover Defender rear spacers come with a 10-year warranty, which gives peace of mind.